Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Kinetix Executive Leather Task Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat, back and arms, ready assembled, gas strut, 5-star spider base and 5 casters. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. And there you have it. Your new Kinetix Executive Leather Task Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.